Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ubersuggest for e-commerce SEO, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Ubersuggest for e-commerce SEO, start by opening your web browser. Type ubersuggest.com into the address bar and press enter. When the Ubersuggest homepage loads, look for the sign in or get started button at the top right corner. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to log in or create a new account. If you don't have an account yet, choose the sign up option. You can register using your Google account or an email address. If you prefer using Google, click the sign up with Google button. If you opt for email registration, fill in your name, email. After entering your details, click the sign up button to continue. Check your email for a confirmation message from Ubersuggest. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Ubersuggest website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Ubersuggest dashboard. You can start exploring various SEO tools and features specifically for e-commerce. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial if available. Now you are ready to enhance your e-commerce SEO with Ubersuggest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.